Josh Duggar has hired a new lawyer in his case just days before trial. Josh, 33, is gearing up for his days-long trial on November 30th for charges from his April 2021 arrest. The Sun can exclusively reveal Josh has hired a new lawyer to join his defense team as he fights the charges against him. In court papers obtained by The Sun, Josh requested Associate Attorney E&T Murphy of Margulis Gelfand, LLC, which is the law firm currently defending him, participate as co-counsel. A judge granted Josh's request on Monday. No plea deal. The additional lawyer on his defense team comes after The Sun previously reported Josh had until October 18 to accept a plea agreement and change his not guilty plea. No change of plea was filed. If Josh files a change of plea after October 18, it will be considered an open plea, meaning he will plead guilty without the benefit of a plea agreement. The court, however, could grant an exception if they are able to show good cause up to 10 days before trial. Dismissal denied. In September, Josh appeared in Arkansas court for a hearing regarding a series of motions, including his request to dismiss the child pornography case entirely. Attorneys for the disgraced 19 kids and counting star first filed a motion to dismiss the case because the government allegedly failed to preserve potentially exculpatory evidence, which is evidence favorable to a defendant that could exonerate him of the crime. The court papers claimed certain people had access to Josh's used car lot wholesale motorcars wireless internet, but the state allegedly did not preserve evidence during their searches. The judge denied his request to throw out the case. Molestation scandal. Josh's latest fight involves having his 2015 molestation scandal banned from trial. In 2015, a police report was published that revealed his father, Jim Bob Duggar, confessed to local authorities that Josh fondled the breasts and genitals of 5 young girls while they were asleep in the family home back in 2006. The state planned to use his past molestation scandal, which he was never charged for, at the trial and asked the court for permission, as it shows his alleged sexual interest in young girls. Josh's legal team responded by claiming the molestation may have not occurred. The court papers obtained by The Sun claimed, there is no question the allegations at issue arise at a time when Duggar was a child, and the allegations at issue in this case arise at a time when Duggar was in his 30s. Furthermore, there is no question Duggar was never charged with a crime related to those allegations. The defense then claimed that it is unclear if the uncharged allegations actually constitute a crime of sexual assault in the second degree under Arkansas state law. The court papers continued, the report is heavily redacted and, importantly, includes no names or dates of birth of anyone involved, making it exceedingly difficult for anyone, much less this court in ruling on the application of Rule 414, to determine whether Duggar actually committed the acts alleged in the report and whether the conduct, if committed, constituted a crime, particularly in light of the affirmative defenses clearly set out in the statute. The documents claim the ancient allegations are completely irrelevant to the child pornography case and will mislead the jury. In 2015, In Touch Weekly uncovered a 33-page Arkansas police report. His younger sisters Jill, 29, and Jessa, 28, came forward as 2 of the victims in an interview with Megyn Kelly, where they insisted they had forgiven Josh, who was never charged, for his sins. Josh admitted the molestation in a statement at the time on his Facebook page. He said, 12 years ago, as a young teenager I acted inexcusably for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret. I hurt others, including my family and close friends. I confessed this to my parents who took several steps to help me address the situation. We spoke with the authorities where I confessed my wrongdoing and my parents arranged for me and those affected by my actions to receive counseling. Awaiting trial, the former 19 kids and counting star is currently on home confinement until his trial and is living with third-party custodians LeCount and Maria Reber, who are longtime friends of Jim Bob and Michelle. The Arkansas judge on the case ordered Josh to wear a GPS ankle monitor. Josh's wife Anna, who is pregnant with their 7th child and due any day now, is standing by her husband. Josh has unlimited access to his children with Anna present. The family's reality show Counting On, which Josh has not appeared on, was cancelled in light of the scandal.
That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned.